Hello everyone, John Bricks here. Today we're gonna finally do the Trouble and Tatooine Alternative Build Part 2. So we're only gonna build two things. There's gonna be a Part 3, just no longer a two-part video. I forgot how I built it. I destroyed it, so we're gonna build two things. So I'm gonna show you the pieces. A 2x2, a 2x2 round, and a special piece, two of these, and a 2x6. And all the pieces you're gonna need are in this set. So here are the pieces, showing you the pieces you're going to need to assemble this build. You need two of these and one of these. So this is the bottom part of the build. So you're going to attach this glue piece. And yeah, that's the bottom part of the build. So wait, I think I'm missing it. Oh, there it is. So a jumper plate. You're gonna attach this. You're gonna do this. And this is the back part of the build. These are special slot pieces. And yeah. So this build is for Mando. So these are the sides. Black studs at the bottom. So these are the pieces. This side of the build. So the build. And this is the front piece. This piece, you're gonna attach it to here. And this, oh, never mind. So this is part of the Mando speeder bike. You gotta attach this to this. All done. So now this is the front. You need these bar pieces, specialized stud, a lightsaber hilt. So this is where we're gonna attach it. And yes, this is what you think it is. It's a turret for Mando. So you can put them here and adjust the handlebars. This is what it looks like. You can adjust the handlebars. So I have no time for that to show you. And now these are the pieces you're going to need. So this is the bottom part of the build. There are 2 feet, legs. You're going to need this piece. And now these pieces. And these are the arms and weapons. So here are the arms and hands. Excuse me. And these are the weapons for the build. 2 pistols, these pieces. And there are one more weapon design I'm going to show you. This is for Mando, dual pistols. So there's a wrench piece, that piece, and the light gray pistol piece. So here is the top of the build. You can see the piece you're going to need. And yes, you can, and this is the back, sorry. And yes, this is what you think it is. It is a small robot. And he has some small details. Here are the eyes and shoulder protectors, grill piece for armor. And yeah, that's it for the alternative build. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.